National Geographic. So again, this was launched last year and it's been a really successful evergreen brand for us. We have a range of dig kits which are come in mini forms, where you can excavate a piece of dino poo. The mini dig kits come with 1 fossil, the bigger dig kits come with 3, and every National Geographic science kit that you see here comes with something, with a piece of the natural world. So the volcano comes with a bit of volcanic rock, each crystal lab comes with a different crystal, and you can also grow your own to compare as well. Then this year we're going into Da Vinci's Inventions, which are a catapult, a ballista and bombard, and these are really nice wooden toys that don't need any glue, and they work. Oh, they do work. They work really nice. You see, it's fired out of the stand. So this is our new National Geographic. So these are done by Cubic Fun. We'll be distributing them in the UK. These are 3D puzzles. As you can see, we've got a few National Geographic kids lines, which include the Amazon rainforest, African wildlife, and then ocean undersea adventure. And then we're going into more like the older age children with space exploration. Obviously it's a big year for space this year with the 50th anniversary of the moon landing, which leads me nicely on to NASA. Again, it's a bit light at the moment, but we will have a range of Earth and stars, moon and stars, moon bank, moon night light, that can decorate your room. But then we'll go into higher price point items like a meteorite hunter and a lunar scope. Each of these comes with an actual piece of meteorite, so it's another cool little feature for each of the product.